My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 29,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle status and our menu. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our AC, and the Golf also comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.